This is Daniel Cook in a helicopter. Hi, I'm here with Rudy, and today Rudy's going to teach me about helicopters. Hi, Rudy.
Hi, Daniel. Nice to meet you.
This is Daniel Cook on a bike, in a plane, on a farm, playing games with many places and friendly faces. We'll have lots of fun with Daniel Cook.
Look, this is my helicopter, Rudy Hoffman, see? Number 6. He's just landing and he's going to offload the passengers, you see, and the other passengers are already ready to go. My boys are coming up, see there, that's Vito and Jay and Alex, and they're going to offload the helicopter right now. Is that exciting?
Yeah.
And another one is just taking off above us. He's going to the falls. You like the colors?
I like everything about helicopters.
Do you know the difference between a helicopter and an airplane?
Well, a helicopter has a rotor on the top, and an airplane has rotors on the front.
That's right.
And the helicopter can hover.
Yes.
And the airplane can't.
That's absolutely
And they're a
right.
little smaller, so they can fit in tighter spots than an airplane.
That's right too, because
And they don't have very big wings.
no, and
And an airplane landing might run into wires. If a helicopter's landing runs into wires, well, those little thingies will cut it.
yeah. You know what those are for?
They're for cutting wires if they
That's
run into
right.
them.
My speed indicator shows me how fast I'm going, right? More air,
That's cool.
more speed. Okay? That's very cool. That's where the engine is, okay? That's a 1,000 horsepower engine made by Rolls-Royce Allison.
Can I sit up in the front with you?
Now you want to sit in the front too?
Yeah.
Oh, normally to put the little people in the back. Huh? So, are we ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
This is Daniel Cook on a helicopter ride.
Cuts out all the noise, you know, when we get the engine started.
Wow.
We turn our intercom system on. I already did that. That's why you and I can talk to each other. How do you
Hi.
hear me?
Can you hear me?
Look, there on the left, is it clear? Nobody on the left?
Clear left.
Nope. Clear right? Nobody on the right-hand side of the helicopter?
Clear right.
Okay, push the button. Because the computer now does everything that has to be done that the turbine engine starts properly.
Lower is vibrating.
That's right too.
I'm vibrating.
And you vibrating. Are you ready?
I'm okay to fly.
You
okay?
A-okay? All right?
Yep.
Okay. And off we go, huh? Everybody.
Oh, we're lifting off the ground.
And now, a nice takeoff. Hey, look how this feels, eh? This is a wonderful feeling, eh? There we go, eh? Eh? How does that feel? And the people look like little ants, right?
And all the houses, well, they look like dinky houses. They look like dinky houses.
Those little houses, eh? It's a beautiful view, eh? Look at that, eh? And if you look very carefully, we may even catch a rainbow, huh?
I can see why you like your job so much. This is so cool. I can't believe how far I can see when they're this high up. I wonder if I can see my house.
There we go. Look, now we're coming in. We're gonna land, see? good things come to an end, right? Oh, that was so much fun.
Thank you so much, Rudy, for teaching me about helicopters.
No, thank you very much, Daniel Cook.
Hey, maybe I could come back and learn how to fly a helicopter with you.
Oh, I would love to do that for you. Huh? Can you imagine Daniel Cook, the pilot?
I'd really like my own
I
helicopter.
think you can do anything. Huh? You just have to put your mind to it.